Good evening, everybody. This is Matt here. I want to show you how I built my $40 greenhouse. Okay, I used 3/4 PVC, and I had the connecting pieces. They are the wider ones. So I just connected them together. I don't know if you can see that. I gotta zoom in a little better. I stuck them together. So each ones were 10 feet long. So the greenhouse tops, so I connect them, would be 20 feet together. And then I used 3/4 PVC, and I got the connectors, the T connectors, ground them down. You can even cut them. I'm just doing trial and error. If I like it, I can always throw a screw in here to lock them together. So, and the wood was donated from my neighbor, so I'm doing another project. But the tape on top, I bet you're wondering why I did that. I'm just recycling the materials I have for now. I'm gonna get some more poly, do a second layer on top to stiffen it up a little bit better. I'm gonna cut the extra poly that's hanging over the edges. I just made some braces like this, so it makes it a lot tighter. So I'm gonna make some more of these. All I did was get these, cut them in half, and threw them around here. I locked them on, so it makes the poly really stiff. I have to make some more of those, but with extra poly, you just cut this right here, and then you can make a wooden frame for a doorway. So that's a greenhouse for under $50. I just recycle or reuse extra material that's just laying around. I have actually a wood burner stove from the house. We don't use it inside, so I'm gonna bring it out here and put it towards that end and run some piping. I'm gonna do a wood wall on the back, plywood, with a vent hole out the back with the pipes to actually make this a heated greenhouse. I could make some raised beds for the winter time and trying to make it like early spring, start growing some stuff in here. So yeah, this is greenhouse part 1. I'm actually going to do a double layer in here. So yeah, all right, stay tuned and like it. Thank you so much for watching.